Top 5 places must visit when you're in Barcelona. At number 1, we have Ciutadella Park. This 19th century creation serves as Barcelona's greenest oasis. Stretching across 280,000 square meters, the park houses the city zoo, the Catalan parliament, a small lake, a large fountain, and numerous museums. Not far from the park, you'll find the Arc de Triomphe, an iconic monument built for the 1888 Barcelona World Fair. Moving on to number 2, we explore La Barceloneta. Nestled in the old city of Barcelona, this neighborhood is famous for its sandy beach and the bustling nightlife along the boardwalk. It's also home to the iconic luxury 5-star W Hotel, a striking structure mimicking the shape of a sail. At number 3, we have Park Güell, a stunning public park filled with gardens and architectonic elements. Designed by the renowned Spanish architect Antoni Gaudí, this park, declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, is a testament to Gaudi's unique style. Arriving at number 4, we find Sagrada Familia, a large, unfinished Roman Catholic church. The construction of this awe-inspiring structure started in 1882, with Gaudí taking over as chief architect a year later. The church, combining Gothic and curvilinear Art Nouveau forms, is expected to be completed by 2026. Next, at number 5, we wander through the Gothic Quarter, the center of the old city of Barcelona. This area covers the oldest parts of the city, with remains of the city's Roman wall and several notable medieval landmarks. And finally, at number 6, we stroll down La Rambla, a bustling street in central Barcelona. Known for its vibrant atmosphere, La Rambla is one of Barcelona's main attractions. However, be mindful of your belongings, as this boulevard is infamous for pickpockets. In summary, Barcelona offers a myriad of experiences, from the green tranquility of Ciutadella Park to the architectural marvels of Park Güell and Sagrada Familia, the vibrant nightlife of La Barceloneta, the rich history of the Gothic Quarter, and the bustling energy of La Rambla. Each corner of this city promises a unique adventure, making Barcelona a must-visit destination for all travel enthusiasts.